What is up, you guys? So today I'm in my garage. I have the biggest surprise for you guys. Maybe by the title of this video you already know, but I actually spray painted my whole car. I'm gonna show you guys the process and what I used to do it. I'm recording this right now as I'm painting it, so hopefully you guys already saw that video and it came out sick, because right now in this time where I'm barely gonna start painting, I'm super excited. I can't wait to have this car all white. It's been something that I've always wanted, to be honest. I've always wanted a white car, not necessarily white on white rims, but just a white car. Like, it didn't even matter. I really can't wait for this to be done, and hopefully you guys liked it. So if you haven't already, subscribe right now so you could keep on following my build. It's gonna be so sick, I'm telling you guys. And I've been giving little sneak peeks of what I've been doing on my Instagram. If you guys haven't already, follow it right now. The link's down below if you guys have trouble finding it. Now let's cut to me primering some of the panels, because I didn't get to record everything because there's so many pieces. I don't want to just show you guys the exact same thing over and over, so I'm gonna show you one of me primering some of the body panels or the car. I'm not sure what, but I'm gonna show you guys that, and then I'm gonna show you guys painting it and then hitting it with the clear. And after that, well, you guys already saw the reveal. So thanks again for watching. Let's get into that. What's up, guys? So right now I just masked off the whole car, and I'm gonna get this thing ready to primer right now, and then wet sand that down, and then get ready for paint. So let me show you around the car and show you what I did. So I used garbage bags to cover up the wheels, and then just tape and plastic. I put plastic and tape inside as well of the engine bay. Covered all that up. Covered up the inside of the gas cap. I also put a Bondo on some of the dents that I had right here. They weren't big dents, but they were little ones, so I just covered them up real quick. Sorry if I didn't show every single part of this process. It's just I'm really on a time crunch, because I don't want to paint it when it's really hot, and only today and tomorrow it's gonna be around 70 to 80 degrees. So I kind of want to try to finish it today if I could. Finish it today and then paint it today, and just let it sit overnight and over a couple of days. So right now I'm gonna clean up the car with acetone, make sure there's no fingerprint or grease or anything on there, and then primer it, and then wet sand it, and then get ready for paint. So I'm gonna do a quick time lapse of that. Alright, you guys, so since I'm done cleaning it with acetone, I'm gonna hit it with this primer from RUSTOLEUM, and you could get this at any hardware store or Home Depot. So I'm gonna hit it with 2 coats of the primer, and then it'll be ready to get wet sanded with 400 grit sandpaper. Alright, you guys, so I got the car all primered up. Check it out. I didn't fix this dent because it's going to be covered anyway, so. Roof. The hood. So now it's time to wet sand it and then get ready for paint. So we'll do that next. What is up, you guys? So today I'm gonna be doing the hood, the roof, and then the trunk. I already wet sanded this, and I also already just tacked this down, and I just wiped it with acetone again, and then tacked it down and wiped it with acetone one more time just to be safe, because this is a big area. So I just want to make sure that it really is the cleanest I could get it to. So let me show you how I have it right now. I have the wheels covered with the bags. The trunk's propped up a little bit by a box. I have all the engine bay covered. And this is the roof. I have the ladder on each side so it makes it easier to get the roof. Then I have the trunk like this, propped up with a box as well. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start spraying white Rust-Oleum. Then I'm gonna hit it with the 2K clear. We'll see how it comes out. Hopefully it comes out really good, because it's gonna suck if I have to do this all over again. So let's get into that right now. Hey guys, so right here I just shot the trunk, the roof, and then the hood. And I covered the rest of the body panels. I shot it with the Rust-Oleum white, and I shot it with the 2K clear, which I'm not showing you yet. But after every coat, I waited 10 minutes. So I would do the first coat of white, 10 minutes, wait, then shoot the second coat, wait 10 minutes. Then I shot the clear, wait 10 minutes, then so on for three coats as well. Right now, I'm just showing you that. I let it dry for 1 day, and then I covered the hood, the trunk, and then the roof, so I could start on the passenger side, start painting that the exact same way I did the trunk, the hood, and the roof. Then I did the driver's side as well. Alright guys, so this is right after I shot 3 coats of the gloss white from Rust-Oleum, and to be honest, it came out way better than I expected. It even looked good without the clear. So next I'm gonna be shooting the clear, and you'll see how that comes out. Alright you guys, so that was me putting on the clear on that last footage you saw, and let's check out how it came out. Came out pretty good. You even see my hand on it. To be honest, I'm really happy with how this whole thing came out. Now I just need the front bumper and then the wide body kit, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna start painting all that. I'll take the car out, put it in the sun, and start wrapping everything and get my first look of it. Almost complete. So I'm gonna get to that right now. So this is what the second coat of the Rust-Oleum paint looks like, and I'm about to hit it with that clear. So even just with the Rust-Oleum, it looks pretty good. So now I'm just waiting for it to be 10 minutes to start hitting it with the first shot of 2K clear, and then after I'm done with that, wait another 10 minutes, hit the second coat. After I'm done with that, wait another 10 minutes, hit it with the clear coat, and that should be it. Three times with the clear and should be good. So let's check that out now. I'm gonna show you guys how it turned out after 1 hour. This is the passenger fender. Man, that thing came out good. It does have some orange peel, but I mean, that's something that I could fix. So I'm gonna wet sand this and then polish it with one of my boys, Sunlight Detailing. He's gonna polish the whole car once I'm done. So I can't wait, because right now it looks pretty good. So imagine already wet sanded and polished, it's gonna look crazy. So this thing came out so sick, you guys. Everything takes time. I have to trust this process, you know. So I mean, it'll get there little by little. I just want it done already. But anyways, I'm gonna cut to doing the other body panels right now. Alrighty guys, so those were the last part that I had to paint, and after that I let everything dry, of course in my garage. And this took a couple of days to do, just because I don't have all day to be painting. I am kind of busy, so I would do this 1 to 2 hours a day or whenever I could. But all in all, I mean, the overall result came out beautiful. I've showed the car to a lot of people and they don't believe that I painted it myself with spray cans. So if I could do it, guarantee you guys could do it. It wasn't too hard, and you just really have to have a lot of patience, because it does take a while. And one thing for sure is prepping it is the most important part, because you will mess up everything if you don't. And also, if you guys have any questions on anything that I did, or maybe I forgot something, be sure to hit me on the comments, hit me up on Instagram. Doesn't matter, I always try to respond to everything. And even if I did something wrong, let me know. It'd be better for me, so I could learn, and so I could learn as well, since I'm not a professional. But you could get this done in your garage. And also, something I didn't show was how I had my garage set up. I thought I did, but I think I lost that footage. I lifted up my garage door about 2 feet. I had cardboard covering most of it, with just two fans that you could see in the video, so that way I had air going out. So just make sure, if you do that exact same thing, don't have any cars near the driveway, because it will get overspray, and that shit sucks. I'm gonna have all the links down below to where you guys could get these spray cans and where I got them from. If you guys wanted to do the same, try it on a body panel, anything like that. I mean, for me, this car, I don't want it as a show car. I want it as a daily driver that just looks nice. I'm not trying to have perfect paint, show material. I'm just not that serious on the looks. Like if it looks a little messed up, I mean, that's fine. I just want to have a nice looking daily driver, not a perfect car. So if you guys are trying to do the exact same, try it, man. I mean, you can do it for sure. So alright, you guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys again for watching, and also thank you guys for 400 plus subscribers. It's crazy to think that I have that many, and I'm gonna keep putting out content for you guys. Anytime I do anything in my car, just in case you guys want to do something like that too, or just have an idea if you could do it, or you want to take it to a shop, whatever, doesn't matter. I'm just here to help you guys out. So next video is going to be me installing all the parts on and everything like that, and getting my first look, which I remember that day was crazy. So thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget, hit up my Instagram. I always post little sneak peek previews and always show stuff. And also subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below, tell me what you guys think about this video. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, it's your boy Tony, and don't forget to live. Peace.